everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am excited to share with you how to create amazing sea animal stickers. Let's get started. Here's everything you need to make these stickers, and if you don't have these yet, don't worry. I'll provide a link in the description below so you can get your hands on them. Let's begin by drawing the sea animals with a pencil, and you have the option to either proceed drawing the animals as I describe them or simply stop the video when I have completed drawing them. Now, let's dive right into it. To begin with, we have the axolotl, a fascinating and unique creature. Next up is the piranha, known for its sharp teeth and aggressive behavior. Then comes the fish, a symbol of life underwater. And finally, we have the whale, a majestic creature of the sea. After that comes the octopus, famous for its 8 arms and incredible intelligence. Moving on, we have the seal, known for its playful nature and love for the ocean. If you find yourself unable to stay caught up when I was drawing the sea animals and describing them, you can simply pause the video and allow yourself to take your time with drawing them. I'm going to be using my kneadable eraser, and at this point, start carefully erasing any drawings you have made. However, please remember to erase them only slightly, not removing too much of the original artwork. At this point, I am going to be outlining all of the drawings I have made with this black multiliner pen. Once you've outlined all of the drawings, it's now time to color all of the sea animals in. After you've finished coloring all the sea creatures, you can then cut them out. Then grab your parchment paper and cut out those squares that are big enough for each sea creature. Next, apply clear tape over the parchment paper. Use 2 tape pieces if needed. So grab your cool sea creature drawing and place it in the center. Then stick 2 more pieces of tape on top. Now cut it out. I enjoyed making these sea creature stickers so much, and I hope they bring you as much joy. If you love them, give this video a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, and have an amazing day.